Welcome back to Global News Morning. Such a pleasure to see you. You might be one of the 40% of Canadians who are tackling home renovation projects. It's the biggest it's ever been in history. Many people cite the pandemic. A lot of people with spare time on their hands. Please join me in welcoming the author of a new book. The book is called How to Be Your Own General Contractor from Premier Quality Renovations. This is Peter Glaw. Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Good morning. Fantastic. Yourself?
Very well. That's a big stat. 40% home rentals, the biggest in history.
It is. That was last year, and I think this year it's going to climb above that. People are renovating and building like it's going out of style.
So much so that a lot of building materials are in short supply.
Absolutely. You know what? Since the lockdown, a lot of factories were shut down, and now they're scrambling. And then the bad forest fires we had in the West Coast, it all played havoc on getting building materials.
Are we sort of back up to normal where we should be in terms of supply and demand?
Yes and no. In some of the major box stores, we're still behind. Some of the direct sources, we can still source material, no problem. The prices are really, really gone up, though.
Well, let's talk about do-it-yourself home renos. You wrote this very timely book. Again, it's called How to Be Your Own General Contractor. A great resource. However, let's just say right off the bat that some home rental projects should be tackled by licensed professionals.
You're 100% correct. You know what happens? A lot of people tend to do things by themselves, wiring and plumbing and so forth, and before you know, you've got a house fire or a flood in your house. So for sure, it should be a licensed professional. However, you can be your own general contractor with the appropriate handholding and guidance that we provide or any other consultant can provide for you.
There are, I'm not going to say a lot, but there are some, let's say, shysters out there who claim to be home reno experts, and they're getting away with a lot.
You're 100% right. We see it all the time. A good thing for homeowners to do is to really do detailed background check on the contractor. If the contractor is a member of the Home Builders Association or Renomart, you can rest assured they've been checked out and they're good people to deal with.
Okay, of course, one or two bad apples should not affect the reputation of some fine tradeswomen, tradespeople.
Correct.
For sure. Give us some examples of things that people can tackle at home on their own.
Well, I mean, physically, you could do a lot on your own with a little bit of guidance. However, we recommend that you still hire the appropriate licensed trades. However, through our book, we can teach you how to be your own general contractor, so you can do all the work that the GC would do under our supervision and guidance. This will save you tens of thousands of dollars that normally the GC would charge you, and you could keep that money. Plus, you could buy all the products at wholesale rather than retail. A lot of people are doing kitchen and bathroom remodels. Basement renovations are a big hit now for learning at home. And there again, you can be your own GC. You can get the trades from either our source or from somewhere else. Just make sure they're properly checked out. And we'll teach you how to check out. We'll teach you how not to overpay a trade. Give them a small deposit, pay as you go. Make sure you have somebody check out their work for their fine craftsmanship and make sure it's done right, inspected well before you release final payment.
And some of the people who are doing things on their own at home, what a sense of accomplishment, I would think.
It is. You know what? There's nothing better than being your own general contractor on your work. And let's face it, even if you did hire a general contractor, you certainly want to keep your hands in the pie anyways and show them exactly what you want.
What are some of the big things people are doing now besides basements?
In the summertime, and certainly for this spring, summer, outdoor space is a hot commodity right now because there again, we don't know, are the kids going to be at home? Are they going to be in school? So swimming pools, cabanas, outdoor kitchens are a huge item right now for outdoor cooking and entertainment. That's why kitchens certainly are top on people's list as far as renovations go.
Again, thank you so much. We'll remind you, Peter Glaw, he is the author of How to Be Your Own General Contractor. And we thank you for your time. And any parting words for people who are looking to tackle a big project very soon?
Well, don't attempt to do it by yourself. Get help, and with appropriate help, you can do a 100% bang on job as being your own general contractor.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. You be well. Take care.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good day.